Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam connection error couldn't connect to the Steam network problem. Okay, let's go, but before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do before trying any method is to check that the problem is not from the main site of Steam, and you can check that by going to this site, which is steamstat.us, and here you can find all the servers of Steam. If you found any problem here, then the problem would be from the Steam servers itself, not from your computer. And if you don't find any error here, we will have to move to the second solution. The second solution is run the Steam app as administrator, like so. Right click on it and then choose run as administrator. And if this also didn't work, close it and just disable your antivirus and open your CMD by opening the start menu and then type CMD command prompt. And you have to write down these lines of code. I'll leave them down below in the description section. Just type net sh space int space IP space reset and then hit enter. And the second command is netsh winsock space reset. And the third and the last one is ipconfig/release and hit enter. And that's how you can fix Steam connection error couldn't connect to the Steam network. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.